Hello YouTubers, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I create a warm bin for my raised bed garden kit. So let's get started. So the first things first, you need a wide and tall plastic container like that. I got that from the Costco store. And you need a soldering iron to make holes on the sides of your plastic container. Let's connect that up. Now that the soldering iron is hot enough, we can start making holes in the side walls of this container like so. So first you punch a hole through the wall, and then you gently start moving the soldering iron like that to cut through the plastic of the walls of the container to the desired shape that you want the opening to be. The idea here is to make these holes on the side walls to allow the earthworms in the garden soil to get into the container, and we're gonna fill the container with organic matter like kitchen scraps, potato skins, onion peels, some ripened bananas or banana skins, stuff like that. um, they're gonna feed on that organic matter, and they're gonna leave behind black gold. It's basically worm castings, which is another fancy term for worm poo. The worm castings have very useful, they're very beneficial to your garden plants. Basically, they make the soil more absorbent. The worm castings introduce beneficial microbes that help the plants that are developing there pretty much improves their health and well-being. It improves the germination and seedling growth. Might help remove some heavy metals from that soil, the garden soil. If you add the worms to your compost bin, it speeds the composting process. So, which is basically the whole idea, right? We want the kitchen scraps to be converted into compost, which our plants can feed off of and grow strong and produce more, right? They also can help prevent certain diseases and pests in the garden. And because the earthworms are a burrowing organism, they help create these burrows which can help carry the nutrients like water and other nutrients to the root zone of your plant, which again helps the plants grow strong below the ground as well as above the ground. So those are the main benefits of having a compost bin, a warm compost bin in your garden itself. So we can get all the benefits that I mentioned in this video. Later in the video, I'll show you pictures of how I bury this container once it is ready in the garden soil itself, and what I fill it up with, right? Orange peels and stuff like that from the kitchen. So what I do is I collect all my kitchen scraps in a plastic bag, and whenever it is full, I go dump it into this warm bins inside my garden beds, and cover it up with soil again, so that that is a very important step. We do not want, because this is a transparent container, we do not want sunlight to get into the container, because earthworms, they don't like the sunlight. They try to live under the soil, and the temperature, they're very sensitive to temperature. So okay, now that we have finished making the holes, you can see that's how the my warm bin looks like. We're going to remove those plastic pieces inside the container like so. I'm going to twist it open or twist it and they break apart pretty easily like that, and we don't want those. And I make some holes at the bottom of the container as well. That helps drain the any liquid which is technically what is called compost tea, warm compost tea. That is again, is full of nutrients and microbes. And here you can see I've placed it inside my garden bed, filled it up with organic matter, and then I'm gonna cover it up with soil, and that is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments. Please leave them in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Thanks.